Hi, this is Adam from sbaycards, and I'm just going to pick 3 random boxes of the 2012 Leaf Cut Signature Sports Icons Edition. So, let's get cracking. Okay. So, in the first box, we have, of course,
difficulty opening it.
yes, do not have a knife. That'll help.
He's gonna kill himself with it.
Walking away. Yeah, that one looks pretty. Yeah, you're just gonna edit the beginning of the video, aren't you?
No,
this
is right? All the fun in it.
At least hit the Josh Gibson then.
Yep, then just stop.
Oh, well, we got a
Josh
base card
Gibson.
of him. Okay, just Josh Gibson base card and a 4/4. Looks like a dual. Sid Gilman and Webb Eubank, Hall of Fame coaches.
Nice.
Okay, interesting.
Nice presentation.
Yep. Alright, on to the second one. Another, and we have a PB race, 15 of 15.
Very nice.
Okay. Get the last one. Okay. Let's see. Go with the one in the front. Alright. Our final one. Let's see. We have a 1 of 2 Miracle on Ice.
Sick.
That's gonna be cool. Alright, so we have a USA 1980 Olympic team Miracle on Ice, Mike Yearzone and Neil Broughton.
Oh, that's a nice big signature there. Nice. Sick.
Oh, there. Down here, she said.
So, how'd you like it?
It's a nice product. It's a good presentation. 2 dual cuts out of 3 boxes. It's not bad. You have any questions?
Where can you buy these?
Oh, you can buy these at sbaycards.com. And they are $92 with free shipping.
Correct.
Yep. All right. And this is a terrible video.
No.
Edit that part out.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed sports icons here from Leaf.